Whiskey Ways. Whiskey Way. Whiskey Way.
Okay.
Whiskey Way. Yeah. Whiskey Ways. Whiskey Ways.
Hey,
Hey guys, I'm your girl Nikki.
I'm your girl Z.
And this is Whiskey Ways. And today we have not only sipping going on, but we got cocktails again.
2 cocktails.
2.
Mm-hmm.
2.
Gotta love them. Gotta love them.
We'll see.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see. Today we have Knob Creek Small Batch 12-year bourbon.
Yes, Kentucky Straight Bourbon. Company is Bim Centuri, Distillery Jim Beam. Release date, I guess ongoing. It's a 12-year bourbon. Proof is 100, 50% alcohol by volume. It's 12 years old. Mashbill, 77% corn, 13% rye, 10% malted barley. MSRP is about $60. So yeah,
All right.
let's do it.
It should be sweet with a hint of spice. We'll see. 77% corn, sweet. 13% rye. I believe for Beam, that is their high rye number.
It is.
Yes, I believe a lot of their other expressions are also 13%.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
That is their highest. 13%, you'd say?
I'm not sure if it's their highest, but I feel like when they say high rye, that's what they mean.
Oh,
okay.
okay. I thought it would be like 20, but you know.
Knob Creek is tried and true. Get a little amber coppery color.
Yes.
Got some legs going. Ooh, I get like a green apple note,
Yeah, very prominent.
some caramel, maybe a little pepper actually on the nose.
I get green apple and vanilla.
Okay. Okay, a lot of green apple, some oak,
It is sweet.
and I get like a marshmallowy vanilla type of vanilla.
Oak and vanilla for sure. No, it's very oaky.
The finish is vanilla, a little actual pepper flavor, not like spice, but pepper flavor for me. And it stays in my mouth. The sweetness stays in my mouth for a long time. It's not like a huge burn going down or anything.
No. I get the pepper. My finish is just pepper. Medium pepper. It's not bad. Pepper vanilla.
It works.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they make like black pepper syrups and stuff for cocktails. Makes perfect sense.
It is spicy.
The second sip was definitely more spicy than the first sip, surprisingly.
It's like it gets spicier.
Yeah, it builds. The more you sip, the more it builds. I like it. I see why
It's
people
not bad.
really like Knob Creek.
Mm-hmm. Have you had any other year?
I have the 9-year at home, but it's a smaller bottle.
Oh, okay.
So I can get jiggy with it. We'll see how it does in these cocktails that Z has looked up. It's gonna be an adventure, guys. Y'all stay tuned.
Yes.